Get ready with me while I tell you guys the future of my music. It's Friday today, but I have a tough morning because I didn't get much sleep because I overslept. I could have set a alarm in the first place, but I totally forgot that I was supposed to get up at 8:30, but I just went back to sleep and I just overslept like twice this morning. It's absolutely not that easy or probably not that simple to just get up randomly at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Well, I don't get up later than 9 o'clock because then the day's over. I have things to do, but besides schoolwork, besides studying, I'm just in a rush because I wanted to talk about the music video for Dear Friendship, but I haven't done any of the edits because I was so busy doing with schoolwork. Not only I was busy with my schoolwork, I had to study for midterms, for finals exams. I had to do a lot of studying, and it's too much. I'm like, okay, let's deal with that this weekend because we need to get that music video done so we can just make the edits. Although I did do the clips, the video clips, but I just need to make the edits in one video. That way I can make sure everything looks good. That way the clips can fit all together in one video so I can show it to everyone because I want to show the world how do I live with this music video. My routine for to do this and do that every single Fridays is not that easy due to that I just sometimes overslept on Fridays, the days I do not have classes, but unfortunately I had trouble finding out what time I want to wake up so I don't do things very late once the morning is over. I'm just curious, I wanted to do more of the music videos and do more of my music. I want to promote an album and drop an album, but I am still working on my new songs, so stay tuned because I have more to come. It's not that to do it right away, show it to you all right away. I need some time for this, need some time for that, but I will try my best to show you all of these and show the world my new music. But how about we just talk about the music video for Dear Friendship? What I wanted to do, how did I just lived, how do I experience myself as a singer, even though I'm not a celebrity, but just a normal person, just a normal pop star. But I just thought of doing music videos just like celebrity singers just because they drop their new music and they drop a music video as official. But I didn't have a chance to because I kept thinking about it, where do I want to record a music video? Who's gonna film for me to do this? Who's gonna film for me for doing that? Is I kept overthinking too much of doing the music videos for almost every single time, but now I just thought of doing more of the music videos more often so I can boost up my views, my audience, and to show the world how do I live. But I'm just not in the mood to talk to my friends because of kind of I want to just live out without having to talk to my friends, but I'm just trying to live out my life because of my social life improvements. So that's why I just avoid talking to my friends all week because, well, this week I didn't have the chance to text to numerous of my friends because I just want to avoid being jealous of improving my social life. Well, I am improving my social life, but the thing is that to hang out with my friends more on weekends, or especially when we're on break. Although if you want to be updated with my music or just updated not only my music but my vlogs, well, this is my makeup channel, but if you want to be updated with my videos, my vlogs and my music, you're gonna have to go follow me at my main YouTube channel. I'll put the link so you can check out my YouTube channel. I definitely want to get 200 subscribers by the end of 2025 so I could boost up my audience because the more the better. Well, not only to improve my audience, but I just want to be a biggest YouTube star all the time because I previously joined YouTube, but then my other channel got hacked. I don't know why, but then I made a new one in 2022. But yes, because I want to post vlogs and make music to show everyone the world how I live. And anyone's wondering why am I lazy of not posting more of my videos on my main channel. Every single month I've been not posting more videos more often. Well, except my vlogs, but other than vlogs, I have no idea what else to post besides my music, besides my vlogs. But I was thinking posting skits, but let's say if I don't want to, that's okay with me. But if you guys wanna just tell me in the comments what else to post. But besides my vlogs and besides my singing videos, besides my music, let me know in the comments what other type of videos I want to post. Let's hope in 2026 I'll hopefully get more subscribers and more audience on my YouTube channel. Not only on my YouTube channel, but my Instagram and my TikTok page. You can just go follow my other socials. So you can stay updated with my content. I'm gonna be posting vlogs and especially my music on my Instagram and TikTok page. You wanna go check it out? Feel free to. It's Nicole Asensio Official, the same username as my YouTube channel. Okay, I finished my makeup, and I only finished my makeup, but I also fixed the bangs because I just kind of wet it a little bit because I want to blow dry it very good because I like how the bangs look straight when every time I brush them using the blow dryer to make it look cool. Looks adorable though. Alright guys, so happy Friday and enjoy the rest of your weekend. If I don't see you, besides I'm not going anywhere, but I'm just gonna wear makeup just for fun in the house because I like wearing makeup around the house. This is cool though. Alright, so make sure to subscribe, not only in my makeup channel, go follow my main channel where I post my vlogs and my music. So I will keep you updated. I'm gonna do my best to post more of the videos because I was kind of lazy because I ran out of ideas. But besides posting vlogs and besides posting my music, not sure what other video ideas to post. As long as it follows YouTube's community guidelines, then that's okay. Let me know what you want me to post. But besides my vlogs and my music and my main YouTube channel, right? So this is the finished look, right? Have a good weekend and see you in my next video.